Hello, and thanks for joining me again for another episode in the series, The Truth About CBD. My name is Paula Vetter. I am a holistic nurse practitioner and a certified herbalist. I'm also chairman of the medical advisory board at hempSMART. And this series is dedicated to enlightening people and helping them make informed choices about CBD. So the question today is, what is CBD? Because there's a lot of misinformation and a lot of confusion. CBD is one of approximately 400 natural compounds found primarily in the flower of the hemp plant or the cannabis plant. And when I say cannabis, a lot of people get concerned, is that the same as marijuana? So the first thing I want to define is, what's the distinction? Because the terms are thrown around carelessly, sometimes even by responsible sources, and people need to know the definition of those terms. Cannabis is a broad family of plants, like canine is a broad family of dogs. And in the canine family, we have Chihuahuas and we have St. Bernards. They're part of the same family, but their characteristics are very different, more like cousins than twins. In the cannabis family, the same thing is true of hemp and marijuana. They're both part of the same family, but their characteristics are very different. Hemp has a very high concentration of the CBD compound that we're going to be talking about, and a very low concentration of THC. THC is the molecule that makes you high or gives you a buzz. In marijuana, the THC content is much higher, 5 to 15% typically. Hemp, by law, has to have less than 0.3% THC. So CBD will not make you high. CBD will not make you fail a drug test. Drug tests are designed to detect the breakdown products of THC. So if you have a CBD product that complies to the law and has less than 0.3% THC, it's almost impossible to get high from taking that product. So when we look at hemp versus marijuana, that distinction is very important. It's important when you're buying a product, if you are going to be drug tested, or if you want to be sure that you're not getting the effects of THC that may cloud your mental acuity, then you want to be sure that that product is properly analyzed by a certified lab to guarantee that the THC content is nil or very, very low and complies with that law. So we'll talk more in a future episode about how all CBD is not created equal. But first of all, it's important that we talk about what is CBD specifically, does it work, and how does it work? So join me for the next episode when we'll look at the efficacy of CBD, how it works in the body, and how to assure that you're getting a worthwhile product. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you soon.